you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning OG, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. Now, this is actually a recreation. I'm recreating my girl Nyla. Her YouTube channel is actually Nyla Allure here on YouTube. She did this makeup look and I just fell in love, and I literally was just like, I have to recreate it. So the next day, boom, bada pow, I recreated this look and it was just so freaking bomb. So yeah, shout out to her for creating this bomb look. I will have her YouTube video down in my description box below if you guys wanted to check her video as well. Literally also, I did follow her video step for step because I tried to do it without her video, but I just like was doing something completely wrong. So then I was like, know what, let's just go watch her video again. And then I was like, know what, let's just follow it. So yes, y'all, this look is a recreation. All credit to my boo. I hope that you guys love how this look turned out on me. I did, you know, do a little bit of extra stuff. I added like more highlight because y'all know I'm extra. But yeah, this video is just gonna be you know, let y'all vibe out and, you know, rock to the music type of video. So I'm gonna stop talking. I hope that you guys do like this look on me. Give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new. Comment down below, let me know if you guys like this look. Also go show my girl Nyla so much love. Like I said, her YouTube video link will be down in my description box below. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Mwah.